Hello student, I am Hemant sir and today we will understand the neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization reaction basically? So we have already understood what is acid, base and salt, है ना. So हम तीनों में relation निकालेंगे with the help of neutralization reaction. So what will happen if we will mix acid with base? अगर हमने एसिड और बेस को मिला दिया तो एक्चुअल में क्या होगा? क्या होगा? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन होगी, है ना. क्या होता है? व्हाट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन बेसिकली? द रिएक्शन इन विच एसिड एंड बेस आर मिक्स्ड टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर, वेयर एसिड एंड बेस reacts with each other to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. So we will understand this part with the help of example, that is reactions. Okay, so we have to write the definition first. So what is neutralization reaction basically? So the reaction, or we can write when acid and base reacts to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, so this is very important part of your acid, base and salt part. Okay, so acid is that is we can say hydrochloric acid we are taken, or we can convert this definition into equation form. So we can write acid plus base equals to salt and water. Okay, so we can write when acid reacts with base which form salt and water, this is the neutralization reaction. Okay, so we will take the example now. So example, we have taken acid as HCl, it is hydrochloric acid. What is it? It is hydrochloric acid. You will see this type of acids in your chemistry laboratory in your school. Okay, so HCl is the acid plus base. Generally we are taking as NaOH, it is sodium hydroxide. See, if we will dissolve HCl in water, we will produce H positive ion, that means it is acid. And if we will dissolve NaOH in water, it produces OH negative ion. So those substances they produces OH negative ion are called as acid. Okay, so they will form salt and water. So can we write this part as Cl bond H, or you can write H bond Cl is HCl and Na bond OH. So what is this part basically? What is this? It is the NaCl, that is the salt, sodium chloride, that we are using every day in our diet. खाने में हम जो सॉल्ट यूज़ करते हैं that is NaCl, है ना. इसी को हम टेबल सॉल्ट भी कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज NaOH and HCl, they reacts to form salt, and what will remain now? See, this is the H and this is OH. When they will react with each other, they will form H2O. See, H we have 2 and O is 1, that means H2O. And what is H2O? H2O is water. So this is the way the reaction proceeds. Which one? The neutralization reaction. कौन सी reaction है ये? Neutralization reaction. So we have to write the name of these chemical substances. Okay, so we have to erase this one. This is hydrochloric acid. So you have to mention the names of the compound when you are writing the reaction. Okay, so this is HCl, hydrochloric acid. So you have to write the name HYDRO, hydrochloric acid. So this is acid. Here sodium hydroxide. So you have to write sodium hydroxide. Okay, this is the neutralization reaction. So you want to write neutralization, you can write or you can leave it also. This is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, and this is water. Okay, so this is the way the neutralization reaction proceeds. So you have to write this part in your notebook. Okay, so we will see more example to identify the neutralization reaction. So you can write or take a screenshot. So student, this is the activity which is given in your textbook, page number 65. Okay, it says acid plus base equals to salt and water. Here 3 examples are given and there are some empty, that is the blank spaces are given. We had to fill these blank spaces. Okay, so we know the neutralization reaction is acid plus base equals to salt and water. So in first example, it is HNO3, it is nitric acid, it is nitric acid, and the base which is not given here, so we have to write the suitable base. So we can write either here, अब देखिए यहाँ पर HNO3 दिया हुआ है, so यहाँ पर H एक यहाँ आ गया, NO3 यहाँ पर आ गया. ओके, सो यहाँ पर अब क्या बच गया, K, यहाँ का O और यहाँ का H, दैट इज KOH विच इज पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. सो पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड विल बी द बेस हियर. सो इट इज KOH. व्हाट इज KOH? इट इज पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. सो वी हैव टू राइट पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. It is the base. When nitric acid reacts with potassium hydroxide, gives potassium nitrate and water. So potassium nitrate is our salt. Now and next example. Here base is given which is ammonium hydroxide and acid we had to write. We know all the product along with salt is nothing but the water, so we have to write here H2O and here also H2O. So now we have to write only the which acid is used here so that it can form the ammonium sulfate salt. So here we have ammonium hydroxide, here we have ammonium hydroxide, and here we have extra SO4. This is a sulfate ion, and sulfate ion is produced by sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. It is sulfuric acid. So here SO4 is here and H2 is used to form water. Okay, so here sulfuric acid when reacts with ammonium hydroxide gives ammonium sulfate, which is the salt, and water. When I am saying the name of this compound, that time you have to pause the video and you have to write their name. It is ammonium sulfate, it is ammonium hydroxide, this is water. Okay, so now we have the last reaction which is given in your textbook. Here we are going to complete the neutralization part. Okay, so here we have KOH, potassium hydroxide, which is the base. Here the salt is formed by potassium and bromide, it is the bromide. So we have bromine here. Okay, OH is used here to form water, so here we have extra H, so our acid will be HBr. What is HBr? It is hydrogen bromide. So we have to write here HBr. Br is hydrogen bromide. So when hydrogen bromide reacts with potassium hydroxide gives potassium bromide and water. So potassium bromide is nothing but the salt. So here acid plus base equals to salt and water. So this is the way of solving the reactions or filling the blanks when some parts are given and some parts are given as a blank spaces. So here we have completed our part, which is the very interesting as well as very important, that is the neutralization reaction. Okay, so we have to repeat one more. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? The reaction in which acid reacts with base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. So we have already solved first example, which is reaction of neutralization reaction. Which one is when HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, reacts with base, and we have used base as sodium hydroxide, they form NaCl, that is the sodium chloride salt and water also. Okay, and these three more examples we have already completed in fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is the today's session now. So here we have completed our which one, the neutralization reaction part. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो गाइज आपके मुझे कॉल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम्स और नॉट, और यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द थिंग्स और नॉट. सो प्लीज़ call me between 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening so that we can discuss each other of your problems. Okay, so मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Okay, and do not hesitate by asking the questions. Okay, you have to write to ask me the questions. Okay, so मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Bye.